Navi from Penhouse. Today we are going to review this Pilot Capless model fountain pen. Here we have two different colors. One is white and silver, another is black and silver. And in this video we are going to see construction of the pen, overall length, weight and writing of the pen. Before going to this video, kindly subscribe to Penhouse YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Now we are going to see how is this box. Actually, you can see here, and it's Pilot in the top of the box. It's black and silver color, and then quality writing instrument since 1918. This Pilot brands are manufactured and established on the year 1918. And here is a Pilot pen. They have mentioned Pilot over here, and see, we can take this through this. It's very comfortable pen. You can see here there is two elastics over here, so the pen will be very comfortable, and it's very smooth, very soft actually. And they have given an inner pipe here. Okay, and then they have given a manual. It's a Pilot Capless. They have mentioned what are the things to do and what to do. And at the first page they have given the name of the parts. It's like a shutter, nib, head, pen holder, feeder, clip, cartridge, body, inner piece, and this is that inner piece part, and knob. Everything they have mentioned, and how to use, when to use, when using they have given, reassembling, two-way filling systems, and they have given a book for this. Very smooth, and the color combination white and silver, and here it's black and silver. They have mentioned Pilot Japan. All the pens, Pilot pens are manufactured in Japan, and it's nice. This overall body is made up of lacquered metal. Wow! And now we look at the clip. Okay, it's a user-friendly clip, so we can easily insert this in a pocket or diary. And this is retractable, and there is no cap over here, and there is a gold trim rings here. It's just amazing and perfect to hold in a pocket or diary. It's just amazing. And look at the color combinations here, black. Both the pens are very cute. And here is the grip section. It's nice. Okay, this is not slippery because of this clip. And now we'll see construction of the pen, and then we'll back to our video. Now we'll check the overall length of this Pilot pen. Okay, it's 138.95 mm. And this is a capless. It's click-on type. Now I'll check with this. Okay, it's 135.79. It's 135.74 mm. Now I'll check the grip section. And here it's 10.78 mm. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Pilot Capless fountain pen. It's almost 31 gram, and here we can't do anything in this, so we'll move on to the video. Now we saw the construction of the pen. It's not a heavy weight pen, it's a medium pen, and we can easily travel with this pen because it's not overweight, and this is retractable. Now we'll speak about the grip section. It's not very smooth, and it's not slippery actually. You can see here because of this clip we can have the grip section, and they have manufactured this grip over like it's like a slight way. Wow, in like a semicircle you can see here. And this nib, it's 18 karat gold plated nib, and there is a feed here. It's a plain feed, and look at this nib, it's very small. Wow. Now let's see what type of ink system is this. We are unscrewing the pen to check. Okay, you can see here, and this body is made up of steel, and here is the tiny nib. You can see here. Wow, they have mentioned pilot in the nib, and then 18 karat 750, and this is a medium nib, but it's very small. That's the unique thing in this type of pilot model. And they have mentioned 718. Yeah. Oh, it's just amazing. As usual, they have in the feed, it's like a pilot feed, and 2-in-1 ink type. One is converter type, another one is cartridge. You can see here there is a 3 balls over here. So we can, in this types of converters are a versatile ink system because we can easily refill and out the ink, and we can use different vibrant colors. If you want to purchase different ink colors or spares for this materials, we are available. That penhouse.in is selling all types of spares. Now we'll check whether this pen is writing smooth or hard. We'll check that now. Now we'll do the writing sample of this capless pen. So now we are going to use penhouse.in manufactured ink. We are going to use Signal Rose color. We are just going to dip the ink and rub in a cloth, and then we are going to use now. Okay, we'll write now. Wow. The starting itself is very smooth, and this grip section is not slippery actually because of this clip over here. Nice. You can see here, and this is, it's a medium nib. We'll write alphabets. Okay. A tiny part of roughness I can feel. Other than that, it's an amazing pen. While writing again and again, it will move into very smooth, more smooth than this. Now I'll do the rubbing test. Okay, it's not an overflow even though we just dip the ink and using. Now I'll do the smoothness test. Okay, it's very smooth. And vertical line you can see here. Amazing. Okay, now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample of this pen. It's a medium nib and it's very smooth. And this part you can see here, it's slightly bent here. You can see here it's not a round circle. And that grip section is just amazing because of this clip and this tiny nib. It's overall a cute comfort pen. So overall can use this pen. This is specially made for adults because this is a medium nib. Whether your kids or any school students want to use this pen, extra fine nibs and fine nib also available in penhouse.in. You can contact us, and if you want to purchase this types of pilot pen, link in the description. Kindly contact us and purchase your order. Grab it soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Tata, bye bye.